All right, welcome back, family, to day 2 of our rush attack. 3-star, no nature. So let's see how the defense is doing. An A is for amazing. All right, so let's get started. All right. Um, let's see. Let's go. We're gonna keep Treeville in for sure. I want to give everyone a shot of getting involved. Now I'm wondering. I don't do 2-2-1. I think I might even try that. Let's go. Let's see here. Let's look at that again. I don't really need to worry about boosted healing, so I might not even do that. So let's see here. Does anyone have minions? No, so we won't use him. Which hero have I not used yet? Let's try this one. Let's try her. Or we're gonna go with let's try this one. We have Bane, so we do need a cleanse hero. Oh, I have a second Trevo. I forgot I had that. I'm not favorable of I already have a healer. Let's see here. I do need a cleanse. I have one in blue. Dawn cleanses, but it's only her and then nearby. Let's go. Let's go with let's take her out right now. We'll use him, and then who we're gonna do for her. Did I use Sally? I don't think so. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3 attackers. Let's try using him. He's just sitting there, not doing anything. Let's put a defense troop on him. He's an attack troop anyway. Defense, attack. Okay. That looks good. Let's give this a shot. Okay. Oh boy, that's a lot of wow, look at the potential for diamonds. Rush attack, you really don't want to do any diamonds, because sometimes they actually work against you. But I'm going to go with this anyway, to the blue diamond, because I do need the heal. So I'm deciding on whether I should take this blue diamond here to bring the yellows up, or should I do this blue diamond for the purple diamond, which I think is favorable, because I do want to get Treeville up, so that's what I'll do. Okay, wow, a green diamond. You know what? I'm going to do that Infinity Stone challenge at some point, but not during rush attack. Let's see here. I think it'll give me the advantage to pop this purple diamond and set Treeville off. Oh, she reflected. The lack of yellows is concerning. Okay, let's just take our time to figure this out. Well, we got 2 heroes about to, well, 2 opponents about to go off. No yellow matches in sight. We just create a little bit of havoc. Come on, where are my yellow tiles? break. Okay. I didn't ask for all that. Although, let's see what we're going to do here. I think I should blind Priska just in case she hits Cedar, because she'll probably kill him. Okay, let's do that. Oh, wait. Let's boost his. Well, that'll boost normal attacks, not special skills. Maybe I should try to see if I can kill Agnes. That's her name, right? Yeah. Or their healer. And then after I do that, then I'll do this horizontal purple and then hit Trevo. Hit Trevo up. Alright. Some of y'all gonna die. There's a massive amount of reds on the board. Okay. So I think we need to clear up all these reds. Now, which way do I want to do the red diamond? I guess it doesn't really matter so much. Bane's going off, so I might as well shoot tiles into him. I'll get you for this, Bane. Although Bane he brings nostalgia, actually. Alright. That was first attack. Oh my goodness. The moment you've been waiting for. It's come to this. Let's see here. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. I think this time I'm gonna need 2 healers. Whole lot of watch. Just you watch. I'll get barely any yellows. That always tends to be an issue when Trevo surfaces. Let's go. Actually, this is not a bad starting board. Although any move that I make is going to really set him off. So I got to figure out how I can do this without the least amount of movement. Or, well, obviously I can get a cleanse, so let's just do as much to him. Okay. So that's a good start. Now, what we're going to do is, let's see if we can get rid of Caril. Or Caril. Let's go first here. We don't need the cleanse, so we're going to save that. Okay. Now the dilemma is, should I do those blues in the center, that horizontal match to hit the purples, or should I do this? Whatever. Okay. We're gonna cleanse that, so don't worry. Yet again. I I think it's safe to pop the purple diamond. Nah, he's just like imploded. Then he exploded. All right. I think. Okay. So we're going to go blue heavy. We're going to leave Chivo right there. You stay right there. Don't move. Don't move. All right. So we're going to go blue heavy. Now, let's see here. Do we have any buffs to dispel? We do have him. Okay. So we're going to use. Now, I think we need a boosted healer. Wait. Hold on. Do we need a cleanse? Yes, we do. So I'm going to have to forego someone. Okay. Let's see. Wait a minute. Let's put the... Okay. And I do need at least tiles against the tank. Now, should I use another attacker? Wow. He's the biggest issue. That's it. Other ones are... She only hits the one. So I'm not worried about her. Priska, she's not too much of a danger. So, let's go with... Poppy's unpredictable about the amount of opponents she'll hit. I think I should go with Cedar would probably be the best bet. We have a blind, elemental defense down on all, dispel, a cleanse, and Trevo to wreak havoc. Okay, so let's see here. Let's give him the... Oh, we got to switch troops here. There we go. Technically, he needs a defense troop. It's okay. Let's go with this. Okay. Let's see what we're going to do here. There is so much potential here. But I need to focus on my blues. Alright, I'm going to do this vertical red match for this blue and yellow below it to hit the yellow and move up those blues on this left right here. Let's do that. Okay. So, I don't want to go for the purple diamond. Okay. Although, I do want to do this horizontal purple match to the blues. We'll hit the greens and those purple. So, wait a minute before I do that. Is there something else safer to do? Well, nah, let's do that. Okay, let's see here. I think we should do this side first. We're going to focus on the right side. We'll use a dispel. We'll do these blues in the middle. And then we'll set for Treeville to go off pretty soon. And we'll keep the cleanse, so... I really can't do anything on this side. There's not too many good moves there. Let's try to get Treeville up. All right, cool. What incarnations are you reflecting? We're going to dispel any jazz. Oh, I did it in the wrong order. Okay. So I'm going to set him off now that he has buff blocking. We're going to do this to the green, to the red, to the purple. All right. Who's next? We need the cleanse for sure. I think we're going to swap him out. Well, we're going to put this guy to prevent Dawn from... Let's switch troops, though. Okay, we're going to prevent Dawn from her minions. Hopefully that's the case. Now, the question is, should I use the other Dawn or no? We do need to keep the cleanse in there. I was going to go for boosted health, but I think I need to keep him in there. And, no, hold on. We're going to put, if I go with this, is he fast? No, he's average. He's average too. Let's put him here because I'm going to use another ice hero. Well, actually, it doesn't matter. This is rush attack. Okay. No, let's go with this one. Let me see. Unless I just put ailments on them. Yeah, let's do that. I want to have all kind of ailments on them to slowly chip away at them. Let's go. Oh. This is not good. All right. Okay. Wow. This already doesn't look good. This is not a good feeling. Oh boy. Well, looks like the only one I can really get up is a beehive dude. Trying to get blues up. This is already not looking good. I'll tell you that much. Uh-oh. Hopefully, okay. Well, this is it. In this case, there was nothing I could do. I just didn't get the tiles that I needed. So it wasn't, to me, that wasn't bad playing. I set up the perfect, well, as well as I could make it. The best offensive team that I could do. All right. So you just, at some point, you just really can't get too upset. Rush attack is very board dependent, and the starting board really just, it sort of depicts the outcome. Okay, let's see here. Or should I say dictates the outcome. Either one works. Depicts. Anyway, I'm not going to focus on that right now. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go red. Wait. Where's my healer? I kind of want to go red so I can. Um, hmm. Wait, let's see what we got going on here. Oh, Trivo's a tank. Okay. I wanted to go for a red hero, but I think I need the cleanse above anything. Wait a minute. Let's see here. Hmm. No, I need tile damage against Trivo. So I can't remove one of the yellows. And I don't want to take Trivo out. He's my heaviest hitter. I'm just going to leave it like that. God, this game kills me. This game kills me. Oh my God, they're forcing me to get him off. Oh my God. Where was this? Oh, well, it does benefit me for the heal. Where was this board last game? I could have benefited from these blues and I would have wiped them out. Whatever. I think I need to get rid. I think I need to do this move to clear out all these greens and blues that are. At least I'll have my heal ready. Okay. Yet and still no yellows. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. No yellow tiles. This is another loss already, I can tell. Oh man, that's laughable. There was nothing I could do with that one either. It was either blues or greens. There were no yellows. And the previous board, same thing. All right. Oh my God. Okay. Well, we got to keep it going. All right. I'll see you for day 3.